Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Elmi Gersang from the Faculty of Medicine, Prima Indonesia University. Now, I will present my journal with the title Antioxidant Properties of Salacca or Gaertn. Voss pill ethanolic extract compared to chlorogenic acid. Chapter 1. Introduction. Background in this study: 1. Excess of free radicals increase oxidative stress, which causes various chronic and degenerative disease. 2. Antioxidants are potential protective agents to reduce oxidative damage, which are available in various food and plant extracts. 3. Zalacca pill potentially has an antioxidant activity. Objective: in this study, we aim to evaluate 1. Total phenolic and flavonoid in Salacca pill ethanolic extract (CEE). 2. Free radicals activity such as hydrogen peroxide, nitrogen monoxide, hydroxide, ABTE scavenging activity, and FRP activity compared with chlorogenic acid. Method: Drive Salacca pills extraction (SEE). We check first total phenolic assay, total flavonoid assay, so total phenolic and flavonoid assay result. And the second antioxidant assay are ABTE scavenging, FERAP activity, hydrogen peroxide scavenging, nitrogen monoxide scavenging, hydroxide scavenging, so antioxidant assay result. And the last is CGA, antioxidant assay, or ABTE scavenging, FERP activity, hydrogen peroxide scavenging, nitrogen monoxide scavenging, hydroxide scavenging, so antioxidant assay results. Result: total phenolic and flavonoid. The value of total phenol and flavonoid is influenced by the level of fruit maturity. The young fruit has the highest total phenol value, which is the highest compared to the ripe fruit. Total phenolic and flavonoid compound of SEE has a value with 6.97, more or less 0.55 ng, GEA or milligram, and 3.92, more or less 0.78 milligram, QE/milligram extract respectively. Based on the total phenolic measurement, SEE contains phenolic compounds that have an antioxidant activity. Result: ABTE scavenging activity. Both of SEE and TGA have ABTS reducing activity concentration dependent manner. The results show that both CEE and TGA possess high ABTS reducing activity, with TGA as the higher ABTS reducing activity value. The IC50 value of TGA was lower, 7.76 ng/ml, than CEE, 57.71 ng/ml, thus indicating CGA has a better antioxidant activity towards ABTS than SEE. Result: FRAP activity. Both of SEE and TGA has FRAP activity concentration dependent manner, with higher concentration increased FRAP activity. C and TGE were increased significantly between concentration 6.25 until 50 ng/ml, P less 0.05 in 50 ng/ml of CGA and SEE. CGA has highest antioxidant capacity towards FRAP activity value with 399,021, more or less 0.59 nm/ng, than SEE with 240.08, more or less 2.65 nm/ng. Result: hydrogen peroxide scavenging activity. Both of SEE and CGE has hydrogen peroxide scavenging activity concentration dependent manner. The highest concentration 250 ng/milliliter of CGA was slightly higher compared to the scavenging activity of CEE. However, at the lowest concentration 7.81 ng/milliliter, SEE was slightly higher than CGA. The IC50 value of CGA was lower, 30.09 ng/milliliter than SEE, 103.84 ng/milliliter, thus indicating CGA has a better antioxidant activity towards hydrogen peroxide than SEE. Result: nitrogen monoxide scavenging activity. Both of SEE and CGA have nitrogen monoxide scavenging activity concentration dependent manner. The highest concentration 66.67 ng/milliliter, CGA was slightly higher compared to SEE. The IC50 value of CGA was lower, 27.15 ng/milliliter than SEE, 38.09 ng/milliliter, thus indicating CGA has a better antioxidant activity towards nitrogen monoxide than SEE. Result: hydroxide scavenging activity. Both of SEE and CGA have nitrogen monoxide scavenging activity concentration dependent manner. The highest concentration 26.167 ng/milliliter, CGA was higher compared to SEE. The IC50 values showed that the IC50 value of CGA 30.71 ng/milliliter and SEE 27.77 ng/milliliter was categorized highly activity. The IC50 value of CGA was lower 30.71 ng/milliliter than SEE 27.77 ng/milliliter, thus indicating CGA has a better antioxidant activity towards hydroxide than SEE. In conclusion, first, Salacca pills extract contains phenolic and flavonoid content has a potent antioxidant. 2. SEE and chlorogenic acid as its compounds have an antioxidant activity against ABTS, FRAP, hydrogen peroxide, nitrogen monoxide, and hydroxide free radicals. Thank you.